morning. It's almost 8:30 and everyone has slowly started waking up, got fresh, had a good cup of tea, and now we're just planning to ride along the beach area. So there's the beach. Ani, Umesh, how was it?
First class.
You enjoyed the party last night?
Yeah, ekdam.
Okay, we had a good fun, and this was really a memorable experience for every one of us. And this is the first time we came camping without tents, which is really an unforgettable experience. Have a look around. This is the setup we had, and today the plan is to finish up our lunch here and then start riding. Come on guys, let me show you the tent, how it looks from inside. If you wish to buy tent like this along with the airbed and the sleeping bag, check out the links in the description box below. Yeah, this is how it looks. Very nice, comfortable. It's from Quechua, however we call it. And here I have some space to, keep my stuff. And this is a good bed, airbed. It was very comfortable sleeping, and my sleeping bag there. So yeah, overall this was a great experience, and this is the best a biker can get. And there we had the campfire. It's still burning. Let's go to the beach area and see what's happening. For fish bike? Nice. Fish shopping. You got fish there? Here are the rest of the members. See them.
Hello.
Hi. Everyone is almost dull. I think it's an hangover or something.
Not so.
Finally, we are all ready and we are returning back home, Belgaum. It was a wonderful stay. Had loads of fun. You guys must have already seen in the footage. So there are many more such rides coming up. Stay tuned to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe, because there are many reasons, there are many advantages for you guys. You get to see new places as and when I explore, and it's not at all paid, it's all free to subscribe. So the Harley brothers are getting ready, they are revving up their engines. Here goes one. Another Benelli here. So here we start rolling. I'm almost carrying 50 kgs of luggage, which will be very tedious if I tip down. Place was never explored by me. I mean, it's a totally new place, but I see lot of sense coming to this place. If you are looking to travel Goa, you can consider this place, because this has beautiful beach, very good homestays and delicious food as well. But you cannot expect a 3-star or a 5-star kind of resort experience here. This is quite a remote place. There's no mobile network. That is why you people couldn't see any of my Instagram updates, neither on Facebook. No, there was absolutely no network, not even cellular network. Forget about mobile data. Right, so we're doing this for the first time. We need to cross this via a jetty. Okay. Oh, nice. Lovely view. How lucky we are, right? Being Belgaumites is all near to us and easily accessible. So there we go. The jetty has come. So we're rolling into the jetty. Right, so we have reached the other end of the river, and here's the jetty. He's stuck there. Go this way only. It is hard now. Yeah. इकडनं चला. That was quite a task to take the vehicle out on the road. Look at my tire and chain, man. Glad I lubed it. Huh? No, chain is fine. No, the sand. See the muck. It's 5:30 and we are at Sanquillim. Belgaum is another 80 kilometers from here. Pretty exhausted. Everyone is pretty much exhausted. Let's see. Okay, we have crossed Sakri and it's almost 60 kilometers remaining. It's the famous Chola Ghat. Okay, so we reached Belgaum and we are going to stop over at D-Mart just to wave a bye. This ends our ride. It was a beautiful 2 days. We didn't know how the time passed by, but it was one amazing ride. Chalo guys, It was wonderful riding. Let's meet on the next ride.
Amazing camp ride.
Beautiful. It was fun. Chalo. See you guys.
Yep. Bye.
See you. Let's ride again. Chalo. Bye bye. Chala. See you. Chalo Khurshid. Yeah. See you again. Chalo. Bye. Chala. Jai Mahesh Mati. See you. Chalo guys. Bye. So that's it for this ride. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Until the next ride, see you. Bye bye.